factor tree of 320. So 320, it can be written as 2 times 160. 2 times 160 means 320. 160, it can be written as 2 times 80. 2 times 80 means 160. 80, it can be written as 2 times 40. 2 times 40 means 80. Like as 40, it can be written as 2 times 20. 2 times 20 means 40. 20, it can be written as 2 times 10. 2 times 10 means 20. Like as 10 means it is 2 times 5. 2 times 5 means 10. So now we select prime numbers in all these numbers. So prime numbers are 2. These all 2 are the prime numbers, and at last this 5. So we can write 320 is equal to product of all these prime numbers, that is these 2 times 2 times these 2 times these 2 times these 2 times these 2, and at last this 5. So this much for today, and thanks for watching.